New developments on the substandard cables installed at a nuclear power plant, price fixing, and enormous dividends for shareholders were involved. President Park Geun-hye is revitalizing the Saemaul, or New Community Movement, that was started by her father. And Korean performers staged a show at Beijing's Olympic Stadium as the Korean wave continues. Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Monday, October 21st. I'm Luke Clary. The revelation of substandard cables installed at a nuclear plant has shaken this country. New developments have shown the companies involved fixed prices and reaped enormous profits.
8 cable producers, such as LS, JS Cable, and Daehan Electric Wire, received sanctions from the Fair Trade Commission for fixing prices during bids for power-generating cables for 8 nuclear power reactors since 2014.
물량을 상호 배분하고 그다음에 낙찰 가격을 사전 합의를 해서 결정한 행위에 대해 가지고 위법성을 인정을 하였습니다.
The companies reaped the profits and gave a portion to their major shareholders. Over the past 5 years, they have paid around $72 million in dividends to their shareholders and their families. The major shareholders of LS's subsidiaries received the most, $55.7 million. Daehan Electric Wire's shareholders received nearly $5.5 million, even though the company's owner gave up his management rights due to business problems. The amount spent on entertainment was also enormous. The company spent over $13 million on this between 2008 and last year. That's almost double the amount that they donated to the needy during the same period. Seoul Electric Wire's entertainment expenditures exceeded its donations by 43 times, while at JS Cable it was by 22 times. Over the past 5 years, the 8 companies signed contracts with the Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power, surpassing $100 million.
President Park Geun-hye has rolled out a new national campaign based on nationwide economic growth. It's the Saemaul, or New Community Movement, that was popularized by her father, late President Park Chung-hee.
President Park Geun-hye proposed a second wave of the New Community Movement, known as the Saemaul Movement in Korea, at a national convention for the New Community Movement leaders. She said the Saemaul Movement was a psychological revolution that changed Korea's modern history and that it should be resurrected as a nationwide campaign.
제2의 한강의 기적을 일으키기 위해 새마을 운동의 정신을 살려서 국민들의 힘을 하나로 모으는 계기를 또다시 마련해야 할 때라고 생각합니다.
In step with the changing times, the president said the movement should strive to be a future-oriented campaign to reform civic-mindedness. In addition to the 3 drives behind the original movement, diligence, self-help, and cooperation, she expanded it by adding the virtues of sharing, service, and consideration to make it a community drive that can achieve national unity. She also proposed a way to reinvent it into a creative, cultural campaign to heighten Koreans' creativity and cultural drive. Stating that the movement should be expanded to become a global campaign, President Park promised to carry out the International Saemaul Movement as a key international collaboration project. At her meetings with African leaders and summits with Southeast Asian nations, she has been looking for ways to spread the Saemaul Movement to other regions. This was the president's first visit to the South Jeolla region since she took office. Later in the day, she visited the 2013 International Garden Expo in Suncheon Bay to celebrate its successful run.
By-election campaigns are underway in Pohang and Ulleung districts in North Gyeongsang province. Ruling and opposition parties are butting heads.
Namgu in Pohang City and Ulleung County are both industrial districts supported by steelmakers. A by-election is coming up for that electoral precinct, with the former Minister of Government Administration and Home Affairs, Park Myung-jae, running on the Saenuri Party ticket, while the opposing Democratic Party is being represented by Heo Dae-man of its Pohang and Ulleung chapter. Representing the Unified Progressive Party is Park Shin-yong, former chapter head of a trade union. The Saenuri Party's candidate is asking the constituents for their full support, claiming that he is the only one who is capable of carrying out large government projects.
80%가 넘는 압도적인 지지와 성원을 바탕으로 힘있는 일꾼이 되어서 지역 발전을 앞당기고 그리고 정체되어 있던 여러 가지 포항의 문제들을 갖다가 해결해 나갈.
The Democratic Party's He Dae-man is urging the voters to cast away their blind support for the ruling party and this time seek change.
박근혜 정부가 오만과 교만에 빠지지 않도록 경고를 주는 그런 의미의 선거가 되어야 된다고 생각합니다. 박근혜 정부에게 주는 보약 같은 야당 후보라고.
Park Shin-yong of the Unified Progressive Party is stressing his background as a laborer and pushing for the policies for workers and ordinary citizens. Park's campaign pledges include the early completion of the Blue Valley construction and the legislation of special subsidy laws for Ulleung Island and the Dokdo Islets. Meanwhile, He promised to speed up the construction of a cluster of synchrotron accelerators and invest in public education. While the ruling party is sure of a landslide victory, the opposition side is hoping for an upset win.
Action in the skies with the best attack helicopter pilots in Korea vying for top prize. We bring you images of the Korean-built Suryeon chopper.
Korean helicopters called Suryeon emit flares. A flare is a device used to distract an enemy's heat-seeking missiles. A scene showing the Suryeon releasing flares was disclosed to the public for the first time. A key Army Cobra helicopter launches a tow missile towards a tank. The weapon hits the target accurately, which is 1.5 kilometers away. A 20mm Vulcan automatic cannon pours out more than 700 shots per minute. It even hits moving targets in midair.
항공기의 생존 능력을 극대화하기 위하여 모든 사격관에 10초 이내에 사격하는 전술적 사격을.
This year's shooting competition, which marks its 25th anniversary, drew 72 helicopter snipers. The winner of the top heligun title will be announced in mid-November.
An observation satellite produced by a Korean venture firm and exported to Dubai is ready for launch. It's the fourth Korean satellite to be exported overseas, attesting to Korea's growing space prowess.
A small satellite measuring 2 meters in length and 1.5 meters in diameter is assembled and checked before it's good to go. It's an Earth observation satellite that was manufactured by a Korean company that's being exported to Dubai. Although it's a small satellite weighing in at just 300 kilograms, it has a 1-meter resolution camera that is able to discern the number of cars 600 kilometers above the ground. The satellite will be transported to the Yasny launch base in Russia. Its takeoff is scheduled for November 21st.
새로운 건물이 들어서고 새로운 도로가 생기고 그러기 때문에 지도를 만드는 목적으로 지금 이 인공성을 활용할 수가 있고요.
This company is the only one in Korea to have exported satellites. It has exported 4 so far, raking in over $94 million in sales. It successfully beat its formidable rivals from space superpowers, such as the UK and France, by investing in the research and development of small satellites.
성능 높은 소형 위성에 초점을 맞추어서 사업을 진행해 왔고요. 앞으로도 계속적으로 위성 크기라든지 무게는 줄이면서 해상도를 유지하거나 아니면 성능을 높이는 방향으로 연구 개발을 계속 진행할 생각입니다.
Up until 1999, when the first multi-purpose satellite, Arirang-1, was launched, Korea had to receive help from the U.S. But now its space technologies have become advanced enough to export their own satellites to other countries.
Korean performers staged a show at the Olympic Stadium in Beijing, the first foreign music act to do so. Korean singers have even gone so far as to release Chinese language albums.
Beijing Olympic Stadium is packed with 70,000 people. The audience went wild to the tunes of Korean pop music. They cheer as Korean singers speak Chinese. They were the first non-Chinese singers to perform at Beijing Olympic Stadium. Beijing city government stationed 18,000 police officers near the stadium for security purposes and extended the operation of public transportation. Korean singer Kang Ta and boy band Super Junior released Chinese albums. They are reportedly more popular in China than they are in Korea. Filled with enthusiastic responses from local fans, the concert testifies to how popular Korean singers are in China.
Chinese tours of the North Korean border region near the Yalu River have resumed after an 8-month suspension following Pyongyang's third nuclear test in February.
This is a rural village near the Yalu River, which is 20 kilometers from Siniju. Seeing a signboard praising North Korean founder Kim Il-sung, tourists realize once again they are in North Korea. Women are busy doing their laundry in the river on a warm, clear autumn day, wearing light clothing. People use a boat to cross the river. North Koreans get off and head for their destinations. North Korean soldiers patrol the area at the entrance of the village. Dozens of students are on an autumn picnic and enjoy themselves near the river.
고기 잘 잡혀요.
Chinese tourists find the landscape of the North Korean rural village fascinating. In some sections, both sides of the Yalu River are the North's territory, and so are popular among Chinese tourists. Small boats sail in the river. Chinese tourists in a large cruise ship look excited to see the foreign land with their naked eyes.
比较神秘啊，神秘就是他们国家跟我们中国友好，跟我们中国是友好联邦，我们愿意和他们接触。
Recently, the number of Chinese people traveling to the North Korean border area have surged due to the easing diplomatic tensions between the two countries.
Korea hosted an international dog show exhibiting beautiful canine companions from around the world, attesting to this country's growing love for dogs.
German Shepherds trot across the lawn in step with their owners and to the cheering crowd. There are poodles with their hair coiffed like movie stars and cute Pomeranians resembling puppy dolls. Korea's indigenous breed, known as Jindos, also showed off their dignified demeanor. Show participants could not take their eyes off all the exotic canine breeds.
직접 보니까 정말 우리나라 그 강아지들 문화도 그렇고 애견 문화가 참 수준이 높아졌구나 하는 걸 많이 느낄 수 있었습니다.
The champion dog is determined by various factors, such as its appearance, obedience, and health. Roughly 1,000 dogs from Korea and abroad have taken part in the show. The dogs and their owners have prepared for months and, in some cases, years, to be presentable for the judging, which usually lasts only a few minutes. Sponsored by the Korea Kennel Federation, the FCI International Dog Show has been held in Iksan for 8 years now. The only year the show was canceled was when there was an outbreak of foot and mouth disease. The 2013 FCI Iksan International Dog Show was an eye-opening opportunity for people to appreciate man's best friend.
Guerrilla warfare, guerrilla marketing. You've heard these terms before, but guerrilla gardening? A new trend is beautifying dingy urban spaces.
This neighborhood in Seoul is home to a cluster of factories. Once notorious for dust and noise, it's now bespeckled with flowers. You'll find flowers in old tires, fences, and even in places you'd least expect. They were planted here by two young people at the forefront of guerrilla gardening.
게릴라 가든 자체가 그냥 퍼블릭한 땅에 제가 누구의 허락도 구하지 않고 심는 거잖아요. 아저씨들이 너무 꽃을 심는 게 즐거워 보이는 게 저도 느껴져서 더 신나서 저도 지금까지 잘 활동할 수 있는 것 같아요.
These green-thumbed activists have been at it for 5 months now. They could easily be spotted pushing carts and planting flowers. The flowers added a dash of color to these dingy factory alleys and the lives of factory workers.
이건 아가씨들이 꽃 갖다 준 거고 이거 심어가지고 파전해 먹으려고 가지고 우리 공장 사람도 매일 이거 관리하느냐고 귀찮을 때도 있지만 이거 하면서로 새로운 보람을 많이 느낍니다.
Guerrilla gardening is changing the landscape here. The name is derived from the gardener's tactics. They swoop in, plant flowers, and disappear. Efforts to encourage young people to appreciate aesthetics are gaining ground in Korea.
저희가 마을 곳곳에 좀 쓰레기도 버려지고 좀 더러운 곳에 게릴라 가든도 하고 벽화도 그려서 마을을 좀 이쁘게 꾸며보려고 지금 하고 있어요.
Today, these guerrilla gardeners will visit a neighborhood that's notorious for illegal garbage dumping. First, they clean up the trash. The neighborhood spiffs up in no time. Then the planting begins. But it's not all about flowers. The guerrillas also paint murals and recycle refuse to help liven up the neighborhood. Their efforts work wonders. This spot was once dirty and it stank, but now it's home to blooming flowers. The murals add a unique, beautiful touch. With just 3 hours of effort, the locals are thoroughly impressed.
지저분했는데 지금 와보니까 아이고 애썼어요. 주위 사람들이 되게 격려도 많이 해주시고 좋아하시는 모습을 보니까 이런 게 진짜 필요하구나 라는 생각이 들고 앞으로 더 이런 게 많아졌으면 좋겠어요.
Now, few people dare to dump their garbage in such a beautiful corner. Some residents even come to water the flowers. The positive energy of these flowers delights the eyes amid the hustle and bustle of the big city. It's one small step toward making the world a better place.
And now we'll take a look at the markets, followed by the world weather. And that's it for this edition of News Today. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Have a great day. North Korea watchers say another nuclear weapons test could be looming ahead at the North's Punggye-ri testing site. Last year's Democratic Party presidential candidate Moon Jae-in has accused the NIS of meddling in last year's election. Yesterday marked the very first Korean Food Day. Organizers celebrated with an enormous bowl of bibimbap in central Seoul. Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Thursday, October 24th. I'm Luke Clary. North Korea watchers warn that the regime is building entrances to two tunnels at the Punggye-ri nuclear test site, sparking concerns that the North might be preparing for another nuclear test.
This satellite image of the Punggye-ri nuclear test site was taken on September 27th. It revealed a new tunnel entrance to the west of the nuclear site and a pile of dirt on the bottom right corner. The imagery also captured another entrance to what is presumed to be a newly made tunnel to the south of the site. The U.S. Korea Institute at Johns Hopkins University recently presented two observations based on the photos. Number one, North Korea is trying to improve the ventilation and traffic in the tunnel that was used for the nuclear tests in 2009 and in February this year. The other observation says that the Stalinist state might be preparing for another underground nuclear test. But the analysts added that there are no signs of a pending fourth nuclear test in the near future. They say that even though the North conducted its third nuclear test earlier this year, the situation has recently changed, with the North even demanding unconditional denuclearization talks with Washington. The analysts say that they can unearth more information if they continue to keep tabs on the excavation process in Punggye-ri, and that if the North is indeed building a new tunnel, it will take at least 1 or 2 years to complete.
Talks have begun between Seoul and Washington, covering key issues like North Korea's nuclear program and the transfer of wartime command.
Kim Jong-soo, who is the chief of the Presidential Security Office, is visiting the U.S. to deliver President Park Geun-hye's ideas on key agendas for Seoul and Washington, such as the North Korean nuclear issues and the transfer of wartime operational control. He will hold talks with Condoleezza Rice, Washington's national security aide, to establish a hotline so that the two nations can maintain better communication. Measures will also be drawn up in light of China's request to resume the six-party talks.
중국의 바람하고 한국, 미국의 바람하고 다소 갭이 있을 수가 있는데 그 갭을 이제 서로 잘 맞춰야죠.
Kim will also invite U.S. President Obama and the First Lady to Korea. Meanwhile, with working-level talks underway to postpone the transfer of wartime operational control, Kim will try to confirm Washington's position on the matter. During Kim's visit, the U.S. is expected to ask Seoul's opinion on Japan's defense right issue and suggest reconciliation with Tokyo.
The South Korean and Finnish prime ministers have signed a nuclear energy cooperation agreement, which could give Korea an edge in an upcoming nuclear reactor project in Finland.
Prime Minister Chung Hong-won became the first South Korean prime minister to visit Finland in the past 32 years. He met with his Finnish counterpart Jyrki Katainen and proposed to bolster the bilateral cooperation in economic development and international issues. The South Korean Prime Minister also asked him to pay particular attention to South Korean companies bidding for the construction of a new nuclear power reactor in Finland.
양국 정부와 기업 간의 원자력 분야 협력이 보다 강화되고 가시적인 결실을 맺을 것으로 기대합니다.
After the meeting, the two prime ministers officially signed a nuclear energy cooperation pact initiated back in July. The deal is expected to boost bilateral cooperation in nuclear energy research and discarded nuclear fuel management. South Korean companies are competing with their Japanese and French rivals to win the right to build the nuclear reactor in Finland. The newly signed agreement is expected to give Korean bidders a competitive edge when the final bidder is chosen in December.
Former opposition presidential candidate Moon Jae-in declared last year's election unfair, his Democratic Party claiming the National Intelligence Service meddled in the proceedings.
Democratic Party Representative Moon Jae-in is claiming that last year's presidential election was unfair. Moon states that the National Intelligence Service, the police, the military, and the Ministry of Patriots and Veterans Affairs had intervened in the election.
그 영향이 어느 정도였던 간에 지난 대선이 불공정했다라는 것은 틀림없는 사실입니다.
Moon said whether President Park knew it or not, she must take responsibility as she benefited from it. He added that outside pressure on the investigations underway by prosecutors must be abolished and that the National Intelligence Service needs reform. Moon said the ruling party was trying to silence both the people and the opposition party by alleging the Democratic Party cannot accept the election results. The Democratic Party said it was not protesting against the election results, but merely claiming that the election was fraudulent. The opposition party added that the current government was responsible for the outside pressure on the prosecutors and that the president herself must be held accountable for it.
수사 방해와 외압은 현 정권의 책임입니다. 아직도 나와는 상관없는 일이다 라고만 하고 계실 것인지 참으로 답답한 일입니다.
The Democratic Party says the government should have Yoon Suk-yeol, the former head of the NIS probe, take full charge over the investigations in order to reveal the truth.
The UN Commission of Inquiry on North Korea held a public hearing in London on human rights violations in the North. Defectors who escaped the country took the stage to testify.
4 North Korean defectors living in Great Britain attended a public hearing held by the UN Commission of Inquiry on North Korea. The first witness, Kim Song-ju, testified on the violence, torturing, and labor he faced after his 4 attempts to escape the communist regime. He reported that defectors caught and sent back from China were treated like animals in the concentration camp.
누구든지 이 감옥에 들어오면은 짐승이다라고 표현을 합니다. 그래서 짐승은 기어다닐 수밖에 없다라고 생각하기 때문에 들어온 순간부터 짐승이 되는 겁니다.
The one and only female witness, Park Ji-hyun, told her story, how she was forced into marriage through human trafficking and became separated from her son.
여러 가지 장애인들부터 해서 나이 어린 사람들, 나이 많은 사람들 이렇게 와갖고 이제 저를 보고 갑니다. 보고 가면서 이제 값을 정하는 거죠.
Despite the UN Commission's request for attendance, no official from the North Korean embassy in Great Britain was present at the hearing. The UN Commission will also hold a public hearing in Washington next week.
It's a staple at any Korean dinner table, and now the fermented cabbage kimchi is a candidate for UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity list.
Kimchi, a staple Korean food item, is now recognized all over the world for its health properties and its unique taste. The Cultural Heritage Administration says that the UNESCO Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage has recommended the inscription of kimchi as part of the Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity. Kimjang, which is the process of making kimchi, was also included in the recommendation. The inscription will be finalized at the UNESCO meeting in Azerbaijan in early December.
한국에서는 이렇게 오랫동안 김치 문화를 이어왔고 오늘날에도 이렇게 활발하게 이어지고 있다는 사실을 좀 알리는 효과가 있을 것으로 보입니다.
If kimchi makes it to the Intangible Cultural Heritage list, Korea will have 16 items on the prestigious inventory, which already includes the Korean folk song Arirang and the traditional Korean opera Pansori. The inscription of kimchi carries a significant meaning since Korean-made kimchi is increasingly losing ground in the domestic market to Chinese-made kimchi, while in the global market, it's being challenged by the Japanese version known as kimuchi.
뉴욕 타임즈에서 우리 김치는 세계 5대 건강식품으로서 우리보다 먼저 건강하다고 얘기를 했습니다. 이렇게 좋은데도 불구하고 우리는 우리 것의 소중함을 몰랐던 것입니다.
Kimchi's inscription is expected to make it clear once and for all that it's truly a Korean dish.
Yesterday marked the very first Korean Food Day, and to celebrate the occasion, organizers prepared a giant bowl of the iconic Korean dish bibimbap in central Seoul.
A large cooking table was set up at a plaza in central Seoul. Ingredients in various colors are placed on the rice one by one. Spatulas that are more than a meter in length were used to mix the ingredients together. This so-called bibimbap is a signature Korean dish, and there was enough to serve more than 6,000 people.
사람들 와서 많이 맛있게 드시고 그런 거 보니까 되게 기분 좋고 색다른 경험이었던 것 같아요.
It took 48 hours to prepare all the ingredients. Some 50 cooks participated in the preparations. 13 sacks of rice were cooked for the giant bowl of bibimbap. People thought about what it means to communicate, harmonize, and cooperate by making the gigantic meal together.
It's delicious.
The Korean dish captivated the taste buds of foreigners.
I think it's excellent. It's just very interesting with the different food.
Designed by civilian organizations, the Korean Food Day is expected to help further promote Korean cuisine overseas.
Yesterday also marked Sanggang, the 18th of 24 seasonal divisions in the lunar calendar and the season's first frost. Farmers in southern stretches of the peninsula are busy with the rice harvest.
Fields in Hadong, South Gyeongsang Province, were filled with golden waves of ripe rice, but they're now empty after harvesting. Farmers plow and clean up the fields to prepare for next year's farming. Some of them are in the final stages of harvesting. Rice ripened after overcoming the hot weather and droughts. Farmers saw a good harvest this year.
기분 참 좋습니다. 작년보다 더 많이 나갔네, 수확이. 병충해 없어가지고.
Persimmons are ripening under the autumn sunlight. With the morning lows dropping in temperature, the persimmon harvest season is quickly approaching. Farmers are keen on figuring out when it would be the best time to pick the persimmons because the fruit is the sweetest shortly before the heavy frost sets in.
옛날에는 3월, 4월 있어가지고 3일 추부터 땄으면 감이 커지고 색상 나고 했는데 지금은 알 수가 없어요. 색상을 한다고 열심히 따야죠 뭐.
Villagers already began making dried persimmons in mountainous regions where winter arrives early. Hanging under roofs, the stringed-up orange-colored fruit is a symbol of the arrival of autumn. This year's autumn foliage will reach its peak at Mount Jiri this weekend. Red and yellow autumn leaves are tempting people to get out of their houses and enjoy the season.
Aging can cause dry mouth, clinically known as xerostomia. But many young people are battling with this condition as well due to stress. Here's how to prevent it.
1 in every 3 seniors experiences xerostomia. Aging is a primary factor, but prolonged use of medication can also contribute. Xerostomia causes severe dryness of the mouth. In some cases, it can be painful, as with this elderly man.
자고 일어났을 때 한 30분 동안 상당히 아파요. 그래서 우선 물 먹고 가글 하고 그러고 좀 있으면 좀 통증이 가라앉고.
The first thing to consider is the condition of the tongue and salivation. The role of saliva in the mouth cannot be underestimated.
타액의 기능은 1차적으로 세균이나 이물질로부터 우리 몸을 방어하는 1차적인 자정작용을 하게 되고요. 음식물을 삼킬 때 필요한 연화작용에도 많은 역할을 하게 됩니다. 그렇기 때문에 구강건조증 환자분들은 세균의 감염에 쉽게 노출되실 수 있고 충치가 쉽게 생기실 수도 있습니다. 그 외에도 말을 하거나 음식물을 삼키거나 미각을 느끼는 데 있어서 많은 불편감을 느끼실 수도 있고.
About 40% of adults have some form of mold in their mouth. And in severe cases, xerostomia can cause gum disease and lung complications.
연세가 많이 드신 분들 중에서 침분비 감소를 오래 겪으시면서 입안에 풍치, 치주염이 잘 조절되지 않는 분들은 뚜렷하게 폐렴의 가능성이 높습니다.
Stress and anxiety can lead to xerostomia in young people.
출산 이후에 이제 사회생활 다시 시작하고 이러면서 이제 여러 가지 스트레스 상황도 좀 있었고 그러다 보니까 입이 마르는 증상이 좀 나타나기도 하고요. 이제 입이 빨리 마르다 보니까 다른 사람들하고 대화할 때 구취도 좀 신경이 쓰이고.
Chronic stress can reduce the saliva produced in your mouth. Radiotherapy can also damage salivary glands.
장기적으로 환자분들한테 일어나는 스트레스가 영향을 미칠 수가 있습니다. 그 다음으로는 두 부경부 종양 때문에 침샘이 있는 부위에 방사선 치료를 받으신 분들은 타액성 기능이 영구적으로 손상을 받습니다. 마지막으로는 최근 증가하고 있는 여성암 중에 갑상선 종양 때문에 방사선 동위원소 치료를 받으시는 분들도 침샘 분비가 감소가 됩니다.
Prevention is key because once salivary glands are damaged, they're difficult to restore. Stimulating salivation is an important process. Drink plenty of water on a daily basis and eat lots of sour fruits.
설탕이 없는 껌을 씹는다든지 설탕이 없는 사탕을 먹는다든지 그런 것들 다 자극해 주는 겁니다. 밤에 잘 때 가습기를 틀고 주무신다든지 입술에 보습제를 바르신다든지 그런 것들도 역시 중요하시겠습니다.
A few small steps will keep xerostomia at bay and the condition inside your mouth much more comfortable.
Now we'll take a look at the markets, followed by the world weather. And that's it for this edition of News Today. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Have a great day.